Ukhozi olumaphiko olugula amaphiko kwaye kwaphephezela omiyane inyoni nobuciko nomnyunyiyo egcwele izibini nemafini icula ingoma emnandi eyahlukanisa unyaka omusha komdala inyoni enezigidigidi zabalandeli abayilandelayo zamemeza sezidololozela sathi siyayazi le nyoni yayiculela okhokho bethu abanye abathule isibongo sokhozi FM sisibhalelwe isidadada sothu ukhozi FM luhamba phambili.
Nginibingelele nginamukele kwesinye isiqephu sokhozi FM TV igama lami kuneliswa Cele. Namhlanje sise Radisson Blu eMhlanga eThekwini. Siletha iK-Cap ibungaza iminyaka engamashumi 30 yasungula. Sokuthatha sikubeke kubo bonke abafundi abafunde K-Cap. Sikhulume naye umsunguli ubaba uMhlongo nezihambele eziqavile ezikhona la. Sithi ukugabisela nangemfashini kancane kuzo zonke izinto nje ezizobe zenzeka. Wena hlala nathi thina sokuthatha sikubeke. Eduze kwami kume umqabi nomsunguli wayo iK-Cap ubaba uMhlongo. Njomani sikubingelele sikwamukele kuKhozi FM TV.
Siyabonga Mandosi, kumnandi ukuba la.
Kumnandi impela, kumnandi siyakhalalisela ngeminyaka yama30 wabakhona kule business. I'm sure une experience engaphekwa 30 years. Kodwa mawungasilandisa nje iK-Cap kafushane wayisungula kanjani ithini umlando wayo?
Ngangiphuma phesheya ngisungula iK-Cap kade ngifunda e-University of Sussex ese-England 91 to 93. Then mangibuya back ngaba nale vision ukuthi as a young person why activist I wanted to plow back ama skills engawufundela laphana to the youth that was now youth yama-90s nama-2000 ngoba bona sebeyenye youth. And the EU generally ne-energy, and if i-energy abe ingasetshenziswa ngendlela right, bagcina sebeyisebenzisa ngendlela engekho right, siba nama-antisocial ills nama-problems amaningi. So i-vision yami kwakuyilento leyo ukuthi I went to England, I saw 21 community art centers, ayenza a beautiful thing, employing young people aba-talented, they regarded the arts as a career, and then I wanted to replicate that with our own people here in South Africa.
Mhlawumbe ngokubona kwakho imaphi ama-skills ashodayo la eNingizimu Afrika embonini yethu yamaciko?
Ingathi sebancane kabi. We've got a lot of talent le country yethu South Africa. Ningi khona, especially umyala kwi-province yethu le KwaZulu Natal. Talented kuyo yonke into, especially eculeni, ekutheni, danseni, nokwenza okunye singekho aware. Ngikubona lokho mangabe kule program esirana iK-Cap i-Actors Incubation Mentorship Program kafushane sibiza nge-AIMPRO ukuthi abantu bafika bethi bacula ba-talented, yes sebe nale talent, but only to find uma siqhubeka i-program umuntu ayidiscover ukuthi hayibo kahle kahle mina ngumuntu wa behind the scene, I can direct, kahle kahle mina ngiyakwazi uku-edit, nga-editor, I can be an entrepreneur within the arts, I can design, I can employ other people. So i-talent eliningi izinto ey'shodayo. Like South Africa we don't have ama-entertainment lawyers. Kodwa yet we see abantu bethu abaku-music basayina ama-contract on a daily basis. Abanye bakwi-film nako-TV basayina ama-contract. Amanye bangawa-understand kwawona ama-contract lawo. And adraftwa ama-general lawyers, not ama-entertainment lawyers. In USA nase-Europe, abantu abadrafta ama-contracts nabenza izinto eziqondene nabantu bamaciko, abantu abafundele i-entertainment law, aba-understanda nge-industry. So for me ngisabona kuyi-gap le yamanye ama-skills. Umbuza kwi-marketing, i-marketing i-generic la eSouth Africa, ayikho i-arts marketing especific ukuthi i-artist fanele kuyi-understand i-brand, and therefore leyo brand fanele kuyi-treat ngendlela ehlukile engafani namanye ama-brand. Yes, ama-5 Ps anga-applya, 9 Ps anga-applya, but kwi-arts specific. So for me kuba amanye ama-gaps engiwabona. The enkulu kakhulu ile ukuthi asinawo ama-quality and qualified script writers. Siney'tori ey'ningi izinto ezingakhompitha no-Hollywood ziwina ama-Oscars, but if singenabo abantu abama-trained quality script writers abangakwazi ukuthatha lawo ma-ideas bawenze ama-concept ama-stories angathatha South Africa ne-KZN ibeke kwenye izinga asikasazoshort. So for me those are priority skills engicabanga ukuthi kufanele sifocus kuwona.
Uzizwa unjani ubheke emuva 30 years later umsebenzi wakho uyabona ukuthi uhambe wafikaphi, uyababona abantu abaqeqeshile ukuthi sebehambe bafika kuphi?
Ngilala kamnandi ebusuku. Ngihlale ngisho ukuthi abantu I sleep peacefully at night. Because ngesikhathi umuntu eqala eKCAP abantu abaningi babengakholwa ukuthi lento engangine vision yayo ingenzeka. But namhlanje kunabantu abaningi abama-breadwinners emakhaya kubo. Akulalwa ngadliwa ngenxa yabo. And hayi ukuthi into esikhashana but into sustainable. Abanye baphesha kwezilande sebakha imizi yabo emakhaya manje, nabazali babo baphila right, bafundisa osibabo nodade wabo. Abanye sebenamabhizinisi abo ngemali abayenzayo. So kumina ngibese nje ngibe njengengane encane ejabulayo. And konke lokhu sikwenza as for free, asicharge abantu, sikwenza mahhala ngoba siyabhilivela ukuthi ingane yomuntu omnyama kufanele ikwazi ukulekelela ukuze iqhubekele phambili ikusasa lingelayo.
Ifiso zakho zekusasa le-KCAP, zekusasa lamaciko aseNingizimu Afrika sithini?
Ukubambisana kusanele inkinga eningi ukuthi i-industry yethu incane, kakhulukazi cultural and creative industry, i-industry encane. And as a result omunye umebona omunye ngathi asucceeda kuba kunalento le-jealousy yomona ebakhona phakathi engasisi indawo. Kanti indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. Ungakwazi ukubuza abanye abantu then bakwazi ukukusiza bangaphambi kwakho buze kubona bakwazi ukusiza bakuchishise. Angikholwa ukuthi umuntu onempokophelo nokholelayo kwintuthuko ne-development yabanye abantu angaba nomona odlulisela ulwazi lakhe kwabanye abantu. But kuba nokujaja-ke. Jaja hayi usibani nomhlongo uyilokho. Hayi umacelo uyilokho. Angak-understand ngenxa yokuthi soke ney'nhloso zakhe. Mase kuphele leyo nto leyo ukuthi 1 singajajani singabantu abamnyama, 2 singabi nawo umona, sisondana eduze sisebenzisana. Inhlanga eziningi uma ubuka ama-Jews akhe eHollywood. IHollywood ama-companies awu-10. 9 yalawo ma-companies o-Sony's, Universal no-Walter Disney ama-companies ama-Jews abambisana, awa-compete babambisene. And then uma ubuka amandiya la eThekwini, amandiya abambisene. Kuno-Sony kuthiwa ubani oBala and Brothers, kube oMohammed and Brothers, kube oNaidu and Naidus. But you hardly find that thina abantu abamnyama. Sizwe sibange nje ukuthi amateksi nomuntu namateksi amangakanani. Instead of sicabanga ukuthi kahle we can singakha inkampani yamabhasi, singagcina sithenge ama-coach ey'timela arunway thina ukuthi sibambisane sindawonye. So mase kuphele lento lesibambisane singabukani ngendlela yokuthi sibe nomona. Umona wethu kube ukuthi sifuna ukuphumelela singabodwana kodwa sisizane sisonke.
Bamjomani sibonge kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho, siphinde sikhalamisele sikufisela inhlanhla ukuthi umsebenzi uqhubeke uye phambili.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Ukhozi liqhubeka phambili Ukhozi TV.
Sibonga kakhulu baba.
Siyabonga.
Thank you. Eduze kwami kume uMamgcina Mhlophe, umuntu esimhlonipha kakhulu la eNingizimu Afrika nasemhlabeni wonke jikelele ngethalente analo. Uyaphila ma?
Ngiyaphila kakhulu, ngiyabonga. Unjani wena?
Sikhona. Ungumuntu oliciko, ngiyazi ukuthi uciko bakho uyakwazi ukuxoxa indaba nokwenza ezinye izinto ezahlukahlukene. Baleka kwekhunga efana no-KCAP uthina abantu bakwaZulu-Natal ukubona kuphi?
Kuyinto enkulu nokuthi bakwazi nje ukuthi bahlanganise iminyaka enga-30 iqhaza abalibambile nje belokhu beyidudula kunzima ngoba kululanga kulomkhakha wethu, nokuthi babathande abantu abasha enough ukuthi babakhuthaze, babagqugquzele, bababonise ukuthi ikusasa elingcono lingenzeka, lingaba yiqiniso, bangazibona nabo bese semashashalazini aphezulu. Nokuthi iminyaka ngisebenza kwa-theatre mina, noma ngisebenza ko-film, ngisebenza nakwa-television, ngisebenzile ko-radio, ngisebenzile endaweni ehlukahlukene njalo. Uma ngibona imisebenzi yenziwa ama-art center afana no-KCAP kuyangithokozisa ngani ngoba abantwana baba nekhaya. Akulona igama nje lithi ekhaya multi art center, baba nekhaya ngempela. Uma unekhaya ke uba nehlobo. uba nabafowenu nodadewenu and abanye babo bagcina sebesebenza bonke noma sebephumile la kaMashu sebephumile eThekwini sebephumile kaZulu Natal bakwazi ukubambana. Siyakubonga lokho, siyabahalalisela kakhulu namhlanje usuku olukhulu.
Njengomuntu nawe olukhulisile abanye abantu wakhulisa ithalente ngendlela ezahlukahlukene, mhlawumbe imessage yakho nje kubantu base KCAP bakhuthaza, nemessage yakho nje njengoba sibahalisela ngeminyaka engama-30.
Awu ngithi unwelo olude ngifisa ukuthi baqhubeke bahloniphane. Ayikho into emnandi njengenhlonipho as part of the recipe. Hayi yonke into yenzayo baqhubeke basebenzisane kodwa bangakhohlwa ukuhloniphana. Mangabe uzihlonipha wena uhlonipha omunye umuntu, impumelelo is guaranteed.
Ngiyayithanda leyo. Asike sikhulume nge-outfit, ingubo yakho ngaze ngayithanda yazi yayihle. Usidesignele, uthengile khambe kanjani?
Angiyidesignanga ngayithenga le ngubo lena. Senginenhliziyo yami ukungithumela ko blue no green kulamalanga. And angazi ukuthi kwenze njani kodwa ngiyayithokozela manje izinto ezisondele kule mbala lena. Nokuthi namhlanje ngicabangile ukuthi ake ngime kancane ngalezi zami zakaZulu Natal nezakwaXhosa nezasevenda nezobani ngibona ukuthi injani manje.
Ngiyayithanda kakhulu.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Inkosi inibusise ukhoza ndize lephezulu lingayeki.
Njalo nje siyabonga. Eduze kwami kume usihlalo wenhlangano yamaciko la esifundazweni saKwaZulu Natal ubhuti wami uThizozo. Uyaphila?
Ngiphila kakhulu ngiyajabula nje ukubuka umuhle kanje.
Ngiyazibongela. Ngizama ukusondela kuwe.
Hayi ngithe nje angibambe le ukuhlanganisa iSwaziland neSouth Africa.
Mase siqede interview uzoshayela i-turnaround siyibone kahle le outfit yakho.
Uyalazi udaba.
Bhuti wami ubumqoka bekhunga efana no KCAP kumaciko ala kwaZulu Natal ubona kuphi?
Kubaleke kakhulu ngoba ila amaciko eqala khona ama-art centers iwona astrainela amaciko akithi ingakho sifisa engathi ama-art centers njengoba sinama districts awu-11 angaba khona in all districts. We know ukuthi uma ngabe uya Underberg ikhona iBhulwa Art Center under iHarry Gwala. We know eMgungundlovu ikhona iJumbo Art Center nakhona but kuney'ndawo ezifana noMzinyathi ezifana no iLembe District esifisa ukuthi nakhona abe khona ama-art centers naku King Cetshwayo awekho ngoba i-KZN it's a rural province, so kunzima ukuthi njalo amaciko ethu eze eThekwini. So siyafisa ukuthi uhulumeni engathi ungalekelela ekuthenini labe khona ekuhlaleni bakhelwe ama-art centers.
Kwakuhle. Umphakathi ungasupporta kanjani izinto ezinjengalezi?
Kubalekile ukuthi umphakathi uwavumele amaciko asahula, like umzali okumele adlale iqhaza lokuthi ingane ayivumele ukuthi ima ngabe eyibona ukuthi inetalente or imtshela ukuthi imisele ngokwenza into ye-entertainment ayilekelele njengey'ngane zabelungu. Thina abantu abamnyama ezethu iy'ngane sivele sithi usefuna ukuba usikhotheni umuntu uma ngabe efuna ukungena kwa-creative art, kanti belungu ingane ivele ithengele isiginci, ithengelwe upiano, yabo ilekelele. So nathi asifunda ukwalekelela because ngalokho nje mhlambe ngingenza example ngami ukuthi uThizozo ekhule ngenabo abazali, ekhulele eMjondolo, but uMjondolo wakubo ukwazile ukushintsha waba umuzo, waphinde yena wayohlala na esilungwini ukutshengisa ukuthi through art uyakwazi ukuphila uphilise neminye imindeni.
Ngibonge kakhulu bhuti wami, ube nobusuku obuhle.
Siyabonga.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday KCAP, happy 30th birthday KCAP. Ayoba.
Kuze kwami kume usisi wami uNomulelo Mhlongo, umlingisi odlule kona amagceke ase KCAP. Sisi wami uyaphila?
Ngiyaphila.
Ngikhona, sijabula ukuba nawe namhlanje.
Ngiyajabula ukuba khona.
Uzizwa unjani? Ungomunye wabantu abafaka isandla number 1 KCAP futhi abaphinde bafunda khona ukubona umsebenzi obuhlangaka, abantu sebehlangene bejabule.
Kungijabulisa kakhulu ukuba lana namhlanje. iKCAP has come far and isishintshe iy'mpilo zabantu abaningi, myself included. Mina I'm an alumni, graduated 10 years ago today. Kade ngisho nje because I was speaking just before you guys arrived. Ngisho ukuthi ngena ngaze ngazizwa ngimdala. Umuntu acabangayo ukuthi iKCAP yona indala kangakanani. alumni angangathi. Umsebenzi wenza ubaba uMhlongo omkhulu kakhulu, usifundisa elikhulu, asifundisa okuningi as ukuthi njengomuntu onebala elifana nelakho nelami uyakwazi ukuthi uthuthuke noma ngathiwa uphuma kwi-background mhlawumbe ubungeke uze ube nayo imali abazali ukuthi bakufundise, especially mekuza ey'ntweni ey'fana no-acting, dancing, music and arts. So I think mkhulu umsebenzi asewenzile, and I think it's beautiful ukuthi-ke bungaza namhlanje umsebenzi wakhe. Kuhle kakhulu ukubona ukuthi iningi labantu ayiqale nabo basakhona namanje eduze kwakho ukuzobungaza namhlanje, and ngiyajabula nje kakhulu ngala.
Khona into eyodwa mhlawumbe eyahlekisa noma eyakuthusa eyabanjani nje oyikhumbulayo nge-K-Cap usakhona?
Kade ngibaxoxela nje manje ukuthi hey, mina kwadamane kwaphuma ukuthi hayi ingathi kuzofanele ngihambe ngiyofunda phesheya. Wavela ubaba waqinisa isandla kakhulu kimi ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ezinye iy'ngane emeyidansa stage kuthiwa-ke na awuhambe uyofunda i-discipline, sibona ukuthi uzobe uyiphethe kanjani emelika, awuhambe uyoklina i-office lami laphayana. So izinto ey'kanjalo nje ebezenzeka beyihlekisa khona, kodwa uma usubuka uyabona ukuthi-ke na this is what they were preparing you for.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Asikhulume nge-outfit yakho, ingubo yakho yazi yayinhle, uthengile, udizayinile, umeshile. Ngiyabona nje ihlangene.
Kuyahlekisa wemuntu, kwahlangana ngahlangananga-ke. Mina-ke nomama Lady D, we share the same designer, uRoyal Mush. Ngimhlebelele izolo ngathi intombazane nakuthiwa fanele ngiyokwamkhusha isingisi laphana eRadisson, angazi ukuthi ngizogqokani. Awubone umuntu ukuthi uhlanganisani. Ifike nge-Uber-ke namhlanje ngigqoke khona la ehhotela, besingazi nokuthi izonginela, but hey, God is good. Silana Royal Mush, everybody.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu sisomela ubusuku obuhle.
Nawe mama ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you. Ngibelana kuthi ngithi waziwa ukuthi umgqibelo. Akazi ukuthi uzobuyibuka le episode kodwa waziwa ukuthi umgqibelo from today okusalayo. Afro Soul is in the building. Sanibonani.
Sanibona njani?
Siyaphila njani?
Siyaphila.
Sikhona. Ngiqale nge-performance, nizweni njani? Khambe kahle?
Kakhulu, kamnandi kakhulu. I-audience sireceive kahle, you are happy.
K-Cap it's 30 years. I'm sure i-K-Cap kubantu bamashu, kubantu baseThekwini, KwaZulu-Natal, Ningizimu Afrika yonke ibe nomehluko omkhulu. Mhlawumbe ngeke ngibuze ubudlelwano benu ne-K-Cap, ubumqoka bayo kithina singabantu.
Sama artist ubaba uMhlongo siqala ngaye. Uyi-mentor yethu as artist, aphinda abe mentor yethu in our business. Now we've got an art center, iKabawo Performing Arts Academy, where ubaba uMhlongo uyasimentorisha to make sure that our business goes well and accordingly. So i-K-Cap ngathi noma benama events, they call us maybe nabo to mentor their students and also to give us some opportunity of performer as Afro Soul as well. So nje we've got a very good working relationship nabo, and we ngathi nje personally ngiyamncoma uNjomane for ukwazi ukusustain this long kule industry yethu a very challenging.
Angeke ngibuze ngize kuwe sisiwami, ngokubona kwakho yikuphi esingakwenza thina njengabantu ngiyanizwa nani nayi foundation yenu ukusupporta izikhungo ezifana nalezi uthi siqhubeke lezi phambili?
Ngicabanga ukuthi nje kuzoqala emakhaya kubazali ukuthi performing arts ibukeka njengendawo mhlambe eyihlathi lokuqashela abantu abangakuthanda ukufunda, isikhathi esiningi kuba njalo. So umntwana mayithi ngifuna ukuyocula eK-Cap or eKabawo, ngifuna ukuyodansa, ibukeleka phansi leyo nto leyo. Kanti abanye bethu simisa imizi yasemakhaya through the performing arts business. For us, it's business. Mhlampe eminyakeni ephambilini ike yabukeka njenge-business noma nge-industry embi, mhlampe kudliwa idakamizwa nani. So ngingasho nje ukuthi kuqala kuthini emakhaya, kuqala kuthini emphakathini, komakhelwane nani, ukuthi mawuza ukuthi ingane kaMasibanibani wants to be an actor or yenze drama, be supportive. Ungasho ukuthi hayi mina yami ingcono izoba yiloyo. Awukho umsebenzi ongcono kunomunye. Umuntu wenza into uJehova mbizele yona noma dalele yona emhlabeni ukuthi uzoyenza. And secondly, ngingasho ukuthi kuhulumeni wethu siyathanda ukuthi bafake isandla, baqhase kakhulu izinto that has to do with the performing arts or the creative industry, because siya contribute kakhulu emnothweni waseNingizimu Afrika nasemhlabeni ke nje wonke jikelele. So ngingasho nje lokho ukuthi mangabe usupport ekhaya, mawuyiciko, ngisho ungasupportwa inkumbi zabantu, but mawungayitholi support ekhaya, mengithi ekhaya ngisho la uzalwa khona kuphela, ngoba si abantu baseThekwini nje we are a Durban-based Afropop group. If usingakuthola ukuncoywa ekhaya, if we don't get platforms eThekwini, size siyoncoywa kwezinye indawo, kuyawuphula umphefumulo, kuyadiscourage, ugcina usungena kwi-depression ukuthi kanti ngachoose isector wrong. So ngingasho nje ukuthi ukusigqugquzela abantu ababe khona. If we have shows, abathenga ama-tickets and come and watch our shows. If release music, bawuthenga music kwethu nje baqhubeke bafake isandla because i-art contribute kakhulu. Whether ujabulile, uyakhala, udangele, we are there ngo-music ukwenza ukuthi uzizwe kangcono.
Thanda kakhulu lokho. Asesikhulumi ngama-outfits. Mnandi uba yi-couple ngoba niyawuthi kuphuma nimeshile endlini. Niyo 2x2, 1 sorry. Ubani oyikhethile?
Okay, this is the outfits as a stage. This is our costume, Afro Soul, because we do Afropop music. So siyasithanda ukuthi indlela esibukeka ngayo incike kumculo esiwenzayo. So this is an African print, inonga ngezwi lakhe yenziwe Indoni Fashion House okuyiyona abasigqokisayo. Nange ubaba Madlovu ufaka umqhele, so siyamixa konke senza ukuthi culture ibe cool. Nalo othi mina ngithanda ukuvunula kodwa sikhombise thina as Afro Soul ukuthi ungavunula ngendlela kodwa ezokwenza usebe styleni. Icathulo engigqokile ngifaka imbadada tie kodwa yangibothi ngiyarock. Yeah.
Ngibonge kakhulu nime nobusuku obuhle.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Eduze kwami kume uThembeka uMazondo wakithi koMagaya wakacela siswami yaphila.
Yaphila sesikunjani?
Ngikhona silana K-Cap na 30 years ngiyazi ukuthi uke waba nesandla kuyona i-K-Cap ulaphana ebhodini lakhona. Umuzwa unjani ubona iminyaka isihambile umsebenzi umuhle abantu bejabula italent ulibona selikhulile?
Firstly, as umntwana okhulele kwaMashu, I think this is something huge. And also as a person who has served on the board as a K-Cap, I think Ubaba Edmund Mhlongo is doing quite a tremendous job because we are going to something we full from scratch. Actually, we sung from scratch. It is no child's play. So we have seen him build a place from nothing, and we have seen the place grow. Sabona futhi nabantu abaproducile abahlukahlukene sebabona komabonakude abaningi babo baphesheya kwezilwandle badlala nako Lion King. So it is quite an amazing place. You know, we see so many things that are happening. I've been actually part of K-Cap for a very long time, and I've seen them do different things. Marvelous things. So kuningi and baningi abantu abasha abangasho ukuthi they are where they are today because of iKha Multi Art Center.
Mhlambe njengomuntu oke wahlala ngizothi on the other side wabona isidingo isikhala la sikhona, iziphi izinto esingathuthukisa noma sithuthukise ngazo singabantu baseNingizimu Afrika kuyo lemboni kuphi kushoda khona?
Okokuqala nje engingakusho ukuthi uqala kuthina njengentsha ukuthi sukuma asingabi lento le ehlala ilindele njalo ukuthi ugovernment uzongenzelani. So zikhona indawo njengoKha Multi Art Center zibekiwe zibekela abantu abasha ukuthi abayisebenzise ababe available. They must go out there, find the information, get into those spaces, you know, bakwazi ukuthi bazimbandakanye ngani ngoba awukwazi ukuthi uhlele ekhaya kodwa ubulindele ukuthi something is going to happen. So it is up to you as an individual. Uyalithola ulwazi, uyasukuma, uyabuza ukuthi kwenzakalani endaweni yangakini, and then you actually get up and do something instead of waiting for the government.
Asike sikhulume nge-outfit phela abantu basonkile namhlanje akucobezela ingubo yodwa ucobezela nawe.
Anje angisho ukuthi mina I actually kuthiwa yini recycled, you know, ngithanda nje dropping ngasikhoje khona ngoba hey kubhizi siwe festive season sibhizi sikweza sibhizi sikhathe shopper ama designers are busy ngase ngibheka ukuthi konje nginani ngathi Nkosi yami akukho that bad. It's not too bad.
It's at all. It's all.
Ane makeup ngithemba ngithi ngathi angeke ngiyipenda pend. Ngahlanganisa kahlanga.
Ngibonge kakhulu sisombe nobusuku.
Thank you so much. And you also look amazing.
Ngiyabonga.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Eduze kwami kume usiswami uAngel Zuma, omunye futhi umlingisi owadlula lapha emagcekeni ase K-Cap. Siswami kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Khona siyajabula ukubona namhlanje.
Thank you so much for having me.
Experience yakhe K-Cap yayinjani?
Oh my God. Where do I begin? It was hard. First of all, anybody that thinks K-Cap is all fun and games, that's a lie. Guys, K-Cap is hard. It's all about hard work, Lapaya. It's all about discipline. It's all about growing and learning so many things all at once. And so all I can say is it was a great experience, but it was very, very, very very, very, very hard.
Ubumqoka beyikhungo ezifana ne-K-Cap emphakathini nasembonini nje yonkana yezabaciko.
I think it is very important to have ikhungo efana K-Cap, because if you look at how many people abaku industry abaphuma K-Cap, you'll be so surprised. Majority of people abaku industry badlulile K-Cap, whether wafika usaqala kusazanya or manje sekus like yabo. But it's very, very important because we have a lot of youth that is out there not knowing what to do with their lives. Some people came to K-Cap because they could only sing or they could only dance or they like acting, but abazi ukuthi they're actually called to it. So I think it's very important. Yeah, got community and yeah, it's very, very important.
Uzunjani namhlanje ubona o-ex-classmates engabobani bakho.
Trauma, kubuya konke. Kubuya konke ukuthi, oh my gosh. But I'm so excited to see them now. Manje asagqokile phela ama-legging naked busy beyidabukile. Manje we are looking.
Ngiyabona, sasungena kuyona le outfit. Talk to
You
me.
get what I'm saying?
Hey.
Yeah.
Oqale ngengubo yakho kuthiwe evening gown wena wavele wathi no nizobona ngami.
Lalela. Listen, I just spoke to my designer. I said, listen, man, there's an event. I need to look nice because it's very dear to my heart. He just went all out. Ngithole manje ngoba ngisala ngayigqoya kunela. I'm just like, yo, this person.
Unethathu bayinelanga.
Oh my God. I don't know what I would have done.
Bonke kakhulu sisombe nobusuku obuhle.
Thank you so much for having me.
Eduze kwami khona ubhuti wami uStuduzo Maphumulo. Ungumlingisi owadlula khona e-K-Cap. Uyaphila bhuti wami?
Ngiyaphila njani Ntombi?
Sikhona. Umuzwa unjani namhlanje ungowabanye wabantu abadlula khona esikhungweni laphana i-K-Cap. Like wafu kuyiziphi izinto mhlambe oziphethe wathi yazi ngafunda lokho e-K-Cap ngilana nje namhlanje.
Ngiyabingelela. Oqala mfethu kuningi ngafunda e-K-Cap mina. Ngayifikela ngangisuka show. So ngangathenda ama community band groups and then kwenzeka ngase ngaya K-Cap. So engakufunda ngafika K-Cap ngomjida ngihambela kanje. Kodwa wathi uphume K-Cap wami uqondile kanje in terms of ukuthi mentally, spiritually, nempilo nje. Umhlongo akufundisa ukuthi actor, dancer, cula. But uyakufundisa njengomzali ukuthi okay, izinto zempilo ezibalekile ukuthi kumele uhambelana la. Nanokuthi ke thina impilo bese sesangenye indlela. Kodwa uthe uma ufike K-Cap wasuyibuka ngenye indlela impilo. Okay, umhlaba kanje. Yabo. So mina kuyangijabulisa ukuthi nami ngibe ingxenye ka 30 years lo lana bengizophatheka kabi ngifika ngavana. Bengizophatheka kabi kodwa ke siyabonga ukuthi bang-invite nami ngibe omunye wala awuzoba khona namhlanje. Sibonga ukuthi umhlongo mfethu usifundisini. Yabo kakhulu.
Yeah, ilokho ngikutholayo mangikhuluma nabantu ukuthi
nanokuthi singaxolisa ukungena emlonyeni nanokuthi thina unetembele silisho ukuthi umhlongo asifundisela ukuthi capital letter D, discipline. Mase sonke simcela uzwile la ngaphakathi ukuthi discipline yena ukuthi siphusha phambili. Yeah.
ngiyayithanda kakhulu leyo bhuti wami. Usuvele waphendula ngisho imibuzo bengakayibuze.
Ngishilo ukuthi ngizovela ngikhathi ngifuna 20 minutes.
All right. Asike sikhulume nge-outfit yakho, ijazi leli ngiyabona kuyabengezela kuhle kunje ya.
Usuitable. Omfisile mfethu. Bathena nje hamba Studuzo mfana uyothi ngithi yabo. Bathe angibulala uZex ngibe uStuduzo namhlanje.
Bhuti wami Studuzo sibonge kakhulu. Thank you. Eduze kwami ngime negroup iyabaculi abasanda nginandisa ngendlela emnandi. Ngathi nje ngabacela futhi ukuthi beshulayine wodwa kodwa story for another day. Gimelana ne The Legacy ubhuti wami uJabulani Mthembu. Uyena inzobe ngikhuluma naye bhuti wami uyaphila?
Sikhona kunjani na?
Sikhona. Abanye benu bafunda khona e-K-Cap. Nizizwa ninjani manje senibuke emuva? Nibukela abangaphambili kwenu nabangemuva abaseza. Umuzwa unjani ngaphakathi kunini?
Umuzwa sizigqaja kakhulu ukuthi umsuka wendaba yonke yaqala khona e-K-Cap. Sivocavocwa laphana ngokwekhono, sivocavocwa ngokomzimba ukuthi uhlezi uhealthy, sivocavocwa ngokomqondo ukuthi uhlezi uactive ngendlela emangalisa. Sifundiswa into eziningi, sifundiswa idiscipline ukuthi iyona ebalulekile okubalekile empilweni mawu artist sifundiswa patience mawu artist sifundiswa ukuyikhulumela mawu artist ukuthi ukhuluma kanjani masukhuluma nomuntu neclient masu established so sasikufunda konke lokho sikufunda kene ubaba uNjomane Edmund Mhlongo laphana eKCAP singabafundi bakhe.
Iqhaza libanjwa ngama-alumni esikhungweni esifana no-KCAP ukuthi nikwazi ukubuya senaphuma kodwa nikwazi ukubuya ukuthi no sakhumbula la sivela khona.
Iqhaza likhulu kakhulu abadlala empilweni yethu nesalidlala nathi empilweni ezabanye abantu mabesibona nje baye bebukele kuthena bethi ama role models kanti nathi sasikhula nje sithi siyenza into esiyithandayo yabona so nathi sakhula sagcina sesama role models wabanye nathi siyakwazi ukufundisa abanye ukuthi impilo khanjwa kanjani ama artist uyiphatha kanjani so looking back nje i-journey has been very good sifundiswe lukhulu eKCAP uyiphatha yonke into nje ihamba kahle kakhulu.
Muzo wami wokugcina khona imessage anayo mhlawumbe kubafundi abasekhona eKCAP noma abafisa ukungena khona imessage yabo nakubo bonke nje abantu ababamba iqhaza ekwenzeni lo msebenzi ongaka ube impumelelo.
I-message esingayisho ukuthi abantu abathanda ukungena eKCAP akuba abantu abazimisele ngento abayenzayo kuabantu abazigqajayo ngokuthi bangobani ngoba kuningi vele abazokufunda lapha phakathi sibongeke nabantu abafikile kulomcimbi omkhulu kangaka iKCAP i-celebrate u30 years ikhona nje endimeni yakwa arts and culture siyabonga kakhulu kubo bonke nabantu abaxhasile umcimbi sithi nje kwande la nithathe khona njenge the legacy siyanthanda kakhulu.
Sibonge kakhulu bhuti wami and I'm sure nabantu abathandi benu abathanda umculo wenu babongile.
Siyabonga.
Eduze kwami kume usiswami uSimama Thiveni. Mongazi uSimama uke wasebenza embonini yezamaciko as a producer womsakazo as actress kuningi nje ngabala ngithini. Usuku la namhlanje usuku la sibungaza khona ukubaleka kwemboni yezamaciko njengomuntu oke wapha kuyona ikhungo ezifana nalezi oKCAP ubona zibaleke ngani niphi iqhaza ezilibambayo?
Ngiyabonga kakhulu iKCAP iqhaza the role that they play in the art industry ukuthi majority of the people especially artists abantu abane talent kodwa talent without skill alinasidingo because ugcina ungakwazi ukuthi usebenzisa kanjani lelo talent ekwenzeni imali noma ukuthatheni talent lakho njenge business. So kubalekile banama programs amaningi abeKCAP. I've had an opportunity ukuthi ngibe i-board member yaseKCAP. Also ngisebenzisane now over the past 10 years. And kuma programs abanawo kuningi abantu abangakufunda. Akuyona indawo yokuthi ingane mazambe ziyekhona kuzibalekela ukudlala emgwaqweni. It's actually an institution ekwazi ukuthi train abantu. I-program abanayo ye-AMPRO yabo it's equivalent to the first year yase-university if ufuna ukwenza i-art yabo so kubalekile kakhulu nokuthi vele nama-artists azokwazi ukuthi azempower ngama-skills because bakhona iKCAP ikhona is open 24/7. It doesn't take me or Phumi Soweto to come to KZN and realize such a gem. So ngicabanga bonke abantu bangazokuningi njengey'khungo efana nje iKCAP.
Unjani umuzwa ngaphakathi nibona umsebenzi wenu usuhambe wafika lana?
Yo, it's such it's heartwarming because when you look at the years when Mr. Mhlongo started this institution, I mean per student at KCAP it's 45,000 rand per student. So he has been doing this for over 30 years and the program le AMPRO ama student lawa mancane kuyabonakala masingena phambili ukuthi ngaphakathi ukuthi ama student asewafundisile awu 750 which is close to 689 million if I'm not mistaken and without the funding. So seeing that journey nabona nama student amanye ku Lion King, it's so heartwarming. I so wish that he could get more support. Even Nani Siwe to go and motivate them because you understand the aspects of business in the industry just to motivate ama student and equip them with ama skills akanjalo.
Yeah. Sibonge kakhulu siswami ube nobusuku obuhle.
Okay, ngiyabonga.
Thank you so much. Umuntu odume kakhulu ngokwazi ukudweba akhe izithombe ezinhle kakhulu ubutama uRasta uyaphila?
Ngiyaphila kanjani sisi?
Sikhona siyajabula ukubona.
Ngibonge kakhulu nami.
Ulibeka yini emcimbini waseKCAP? Khona uzomdweba noma uze ngokuvakasha khamba kanjani?
Namhlanje ngibonga ithuba ukuthi ngimenywe endaweni engumcimbi abantu bejabulile ngoba ngijwayele nje ukufika endaweni abantu bengajabulanga kuma memorials kuma funerals kodwa namhlanje ngibongile ukufika kule ndawo ngizosurprise nje umuntu nje oqhakathekileyo kulolu suku namhlanje.
Uyakwazi ukuhlebela ukuthi ubani noma sa-secret okwamanje?
Kusase-secret kwamanje kuzobonakala phakathi ngapha mase ngi-unveila i-portrait ukuthi ngibani.
I'm sure bazosishuthela bazivezele isithombe esihle kakhulu and ngiyakubongela kuhle ngempela ukuthi sikwazi ukukubona emcimbini la kujatshuliwe khona. Mhlawumbe usuku lanamhlanje usuku lamaciko, nawe uliciko ngendlela yakho. Baluleka nje kwezindawo noma kwezikhungo ezifana no-KCAP kunini abantu abangamaciko ukubona kuphi?
Emini ngeke ngadlula lapho kwaMashu ngabona ihholo enhle kakhulu ngaze ngafisa ukuthi mangihlala lana ngahlala ngilapho. Indawo eyamaciko ngiyayithanda kakhulu, whether it's performing arts or creative arts, whether you are ku-fashion and other things or you are a writer, yonke nje into creative ngithanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke. So ngithanda ukuthi ngibonge ukuthi indawo enjalo iyatholakala emalokishini kufana la kwaMashu, ngoba sometimes itholakala endaweni yasesilungwini kube nzima ukuthi thina suke emagazi or suke emakhaya sikwazi ukungena kuleyo ndawo. But I think the way a setup ngakhona, it's a good initiative for our generations to come.
Beautiful. Asikhulume nge-outfit yakho, ngikhulume nabo bonke abantu ngama-outfits abo anamhlanje. Mhlawumbe nje just take us through ihlanganise kanjani, ucabanga kanjani?
Ama-outfit ami ngihlala nje ngibatshela abantu ukuthi I was inspired by my grandmother, the late. Yeah, cause nguye ubejwayele ukuthi abuye from emakhaya ekuzongithatha lapho ehambe nami for i-shopping, uzobe khetha those very flower. Impahla ezilemba ezi-very bright esho ukuthi uma ugqoka so abantu bazokubona uya-outstanda. So ngamamela that's why ngigqoka nje wonke umuntu adideke ukuthi hawu kanti ukuhamba kanjani, ngoba ezinye kunama-designers ami angiyenzelayo impahla. Umfundo the designer wase-Cape Town. Ngibonga kakhulu ngoba uyazwana lami mangithi akangithungela into so iyakhona straight.
Sibonge kakhulu kodwa ube nobusuku obuhle.
Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Khosi.
Silana i-KCAP igubha iminyaka ewu-30 kubaluleka kwezindawo kwezikole ezifana ne-KCAP ekukhuliseni amakhono endaweni za KwaZulu-Natal naseNingizimu Afrika nje yonke.
I think ikubaluleke kakhulu because I think iningi lethu as black people can't afford like very expensive schools, AFDAs, your DUTs, Howard and so on. So kuba mnandi ukuthi you can literally walk from ekhaya uye eKCAP if uhlala kaMashu and be able to interact and ufunde theatre, ufunde film, ufunde television, and also kube practical because I've had the opportunity ukuthi bangibize ngiyoba i-judge or i-adjudicator, ubona umsebenzi wo baba uMhlongo nanokuthi bayayinikela. Sekuya kumuntu ukuthi uyalithatha leli thuba alitholile and nanokuthi that stigma yokuthi fa uhlezi uyeGoli, fa uhlezi uphuma from your city to be able to get the technique and skill to be able to do television and theatre. Kumnandi ukuthi ungasho nje ukuthi uyiqhenye ngiphume eKCAP, you know, so that it develops the community and also nomzali noma sekuthiwa uyafuna ukuphosihla, she can physically go there abone ukuthi no, they're not wasting their time and kuthuthuka zonke indawo because I know other areas nasemlazi bayazama, but it's just nice to see tangible proof ukuthi uyakwazi ukukhuliswa kuya ngakuthi uyathatha ke ithuba ulisebenzise kahle.
Ukubaluleka kwabantu abafana nawe embonini yezokulingisa ukuthi bahlale babuyele, uyasho ukuthi uke wasebenzisana nabo, bahlale babuyele ukuzophosa nabo esivivaneni la kungaphoseka khona.
No, for sure kubalulekile ngoba lento mabona kude sina kuyibukela kude. So mawubona umuntu uthi hawu noma swazi lokuzalo usefike qathatha uyakwazi ukunikeza feedback nanokuthi kumnandi ukubona umuntu in the industry ephawula hayi ukuthi hey yazi ngekhathi zami it's literally current uyabo so bayabona ukuthi no awungidayisela iphupho uyaliphila leli phupho engilifisayo nami ukuthi ngilifeze one day.
Ngiyayithanda ke leyo. Angixoxele ngalo Pink no Pink abafani.
Cerise Pink.
Cerise.
Yes.
Cerise Pink.
Nguthola izolo nje ukuthi ngithi nami ngiyaphatanisa ngiyahlanganisa.
Wahlanganise. Nezipho zavele za Cerise Pink.
Kamoya. Izinto zethu. No, kusami ngicabangela i-character yami isebumzimbeni so I needed a color dark. So vele ngiyabuyela emsebenzini next week so ngathi nje base kwaqondana ukuthi hayi no Pink ungithande nawe nje umeshe yabo.
Ngiyakubongela ukuhlanganisa ama-feeds yazi ko continuity hlala nalezo izinwele.
Njengoba ngiluka ama-single nje bengibusa lokho ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuyilawula ngoba ngiseholidini kodwa manje hayi ngiyothobela uNomaswazi manje.
Swami ngibonge kakhulu benokusuku.
Pleasure you too.
Eduze kwami kume umam Premier uNomsadube sawubona ma.
Sanibona.
Njani?
Siphilile njani nina?
Khona sijabula kakhulu ukuba nawe namhlanje.
Jabule kakhulu nathi kuba nani.
U-KCAP uthi 30 years kulonyaka. Mhlawumbe njengomuntu ongumholi emphakathini ukumqoka bezikhungo ezifana no-KCAP nezinye ikhona KwaZulu-Natal buhamba kufike phi?
Sijabule kakhulu kuba ingxenye yalo mcimbi obaluleke kangaka wase KCAP. Masibheka ukuthi basuka kuphi baze babe lapha bekhona sibone amaciko abawakhiqizile over the years. Kusijabulisa kakhulu but also kusinikeza ithemba lokuthi ikusasa le KwaZulu-Natal ikusasa leNingizimu Afrika ligqamile kakhulu ngoba amaciko akukhona nje ukuthi ayasijabulisa ayasifundisa ayasikhulisa kodwa futhi kunengxenye yokwakha isizwe amaciko ayidlalayo indima ayidlalayo empilweni zabantu. So lokho kwenzakala namhlanje ukucelebrate iminyaka eminingi yokusebenza kanzima yokushape izinto ukuqala izinto ezintsha kuphusheka iboundary ukuthi yini enye enhle esingayenza kuyasijabulisa kakhulu kuyasithobisa kakhulu.
Mhlawumbe njengomholi yiphi into esingayenza thina njengabantu bomphakathi ukweseka izikhungo ezifana nalezi ukwenza inqubekela phambili ibe khona?
Ukhulu kakhulu likhulu iqhaza elingabanjwa umphakathi lapho khona i-KCAP kukwaMashu and siyazi ukuthi emalokishini abantwana bakhona badonsa kanzima azikho indawo zokudlala azikho izinto zokuzijabulisa azikho into zokufunda isikhathi esiningi so iqhaza lomphakathi abangalidlala ukuthi bagqugquzele abantwana ukuthi la kulomkhakha wamaciko mkhulu kakhulu and isikhathi esiningi italente abantwana bahlala nalo bangalisebenzisi uthola ukuthi beze benze izinto ezirong kanti ukuba bebethole ithuba lokuthi abamphakathi bagqugquzele noba banikeze nje nespace sokuthi ake nenzeni into yenu la nisine manifuna usina nidance manifuna udansa bakhombisa italent yabo umphakathi ungadlala iqhaza elikhulu kakhulu ekutheni i-center enjengale ithuthuke kodwa ngaphandle kokuthi ithuthukise nomphakathi eyakhele kuwona.
Sibonge kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho benobusuku obuhle.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you.
Ibe nobusuku obuhle.
Siyabonga. Eduze kwami kume umhlonishwa ubaba uNcamalala oke waba upresident wezwelethu la eNingizimu Afrika. Ngikubingelele baba ngikwamukele kuKhoze FM TV.
Ngiyabonga. Ngiyavuma ngokukhulu kuyithoba nangokujabula.
Baba sike sezwa lana ubaba Edmond exoxa ngeqhazo walibamba ekwenzeni i-KCAP kube impumelelo ubanika indawo laphana ekhaya multi arts. Ubheke emuva manje usubona la esebehambe bafika khona uzizwa unjani ubona umsebenzi omuhle usuhlangana?
Ngizizwa nginokujabula okukhulu kakhulu ngenkathi sikhuluma nabo loludaba nganginesifiso sokubona impumelelo yalo ingakho nje ngathatha konke enginakho ukuthi ngisize ekutheni kube khona okwenzeka njengoba sebenzile. Into engijabulisa kakhulu ke ukuthi uma benikezwe lelo thuba abazange balibuke kancane basebenzisa lagcwala lathi swi namhlanje sebenze okuningi okukhulu kubantu abaningi. Ayikho into ejabulisa njengaleyo uma usubona ukuphumelela kwalabo bebenesifiso sokuthi benze okuhle bakwenzela abantu balethe intuthuko njalo njalo. Izizwe nginokujabula okuyisimanga ngathi sengathi iningi lethu singenza kanje.
Mhlawumbe izinto njengemphakathi njengamalunga la eNingizimu Afrika esingazenza ukuseka abantu abanjengoba Mhlongo nezikhungo ezifana no-KCAP.
Ngicabanga ukuthi uma abantu befisa ukuthi intuthuko ikhule ngamandla, kufanele labo abanogqozi nesifiso sokuthi kube khona abakwenzayo abanembono emihle yokusiza abantu nokwandisa imisebenzi njalo njalo nokuthuthukisa isizwe, banikezwe ithuba lokuqala kubantu abafuna ukwenza izinto, ngoba iningi labo ngempela banogqozi nokushiseka. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi uma uzwile ukuthi uthini Mhlongo, uma umbhekile uyabona ukuthi indoda ezimisele. Umuntu ufanele ukuthi umbone mayithi ngicela lokhu ukuthi ake simnike sibone ukuthi angenzani. Abanye abantu ungababuka ukuthi hayi mhlambe bodlala ngemali kwasha kwavuta, kodwa kungcono ubusuthi kuhlulekile wena, kodwa ungamyeki kumnika umuntu onogqozi lokuthi ufuna ukuthuthukisa abantu, andisa imisebenzi yabantu. Ukuba laba abanezimali bangakwenza lokhu kwabaningi abantu, baningi abantu abangathuthuka nabo benze ezinye izinto ezibalulekile mhlawumbe ukudlula nezabamanje. Ngijabula kakhulu nje, ngifisa ukuthi laba abanezimali uma kukhona icele njengalezi bangazenqeni, babanike abantu, ngoba lokho kwandisa umnotho, kwandisa ukuthuthuka kwabantu, kwandisa ukuqhubeka nokunwebeka kwengqondo zabantu ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi basize abantu.
Bamnqabalala sibonge kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho.
Bonga mina ma. Siyabula kakhulu kunibona. Thank you very much.
Siphinde sihalalisene impela i-KCAP lapha kaMashu ngeminyaka engu-30 yabakhona. Sithathe sakubeka la eRadisson Blu la bekwenzeka khona umcimbi. Asithembe wonke amaciko athokozile. Asithembe nawe umleli weKhozi FM TV uthokozile. Mina nguNeliswa Ngagcele. Ngiyaphuma manje nakanjani kwesinye isiqephu sizohlangana.